This is my son's old iPad 2, circa 2011 or something old. I want to install Netflix onto this iPad, but if you go to the App Store, it's in by the App Store, and search for Netflix, you try to install it, it'll always say unable to purchase. Netflix is not compatible with this iPad. And you can see I already have it in my purchased area, but even if I do it from this search, it won't allow me to install an older version. And so I Googled and found this thread, Netflix for iOS 9.3.5, and then one solution was your iPad is just too old. If you scroll down, actually someone offered a YouTube, and this is actually a good solution. You just have to first make sure it's downloaded onto your iTunes account. So just, you have to get a more up-to-date device and install it there. Once you've done that, and it showed up as a purchased app, for me, you would just go to purchased, scroll all the way down to Netflix, and for some reason you can install it as a purchased app versus on their search. So I don't understand why you would not allow a person to install an old version from the search versus your purchased apps. So now I can install it. So the trick is just to, if you have a different up-to-date device, you add that app onto that iTunes iCloud account, and then try to download it from the cloud through your purchased section over here. I think it's pretty lame, but I'll include the YouTube video that actually had the solution over here.